Continental Drift by Nicole. Continental drift is a movement of Earth's continents. The continent appears to move far away from or closer to each other. Alfred Wegener did not understand how this happened. This was found in 1912 by Alfred Wegener. Alfred Lothar Wegener was born on November 1, 1880 in Berlin, Germany, and died on November 2, 1930 in Contiental, Greenland. Who was Alfred Wegener? Alfred Wegener was a German astronomer who had a hypothesis that the continents moved and they were once all connected. Alfred Wegener's hypothesis was called continental drift. His theory was turned down by scientists because he could not find an identity, a force strong enough to push the continents. Alfred Wegener's hypothesis, continental drift, was rejected by scientists because he could not show no mechanism for the movement of continents. He claimed that the coastlines were similar and that they were once all connected into one big supercontinent. He had no proof, and that's why his hypothesis was rejected. Pangea. The continents were once all connected into one big supercontinent. This is called Pangea. Past to present. In the past, all the continents were connected as one big supercontinent. This is called Pangea. As the years passed, the continents started to spread apart. This is called continental drift. The origin of continents and oceans. In 1915, Alfred Wegener wrote a book called The Origin of Continents and Oceans. This book describes his hypothesis, continental drift. Harry Hermann Hesse was born on May 24, 1906, in New York City. He died on August 25, 1969, in Massachusetts by a heart attack. Who is Harry Hesse? Harry Hesse was a geologist and a United States Navy officer in World War II. He found the theory of plate tectonics. Seafloor spreading is the formation of new crust through the upwelling of magma in mid-ocean ridges and its outward movement on either side. Mid-ocean ridges are various mountain ranges that leave a rift running along its spine formed by plate tectonics. Fossils. Fossils help support the idea of continental drift because the same animals were found in different continents. This shows that the continents were once all connected into one big supercontinent, Pangea. Marine fossils were found on the top of Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. This means that Mount Everest was once under sea level at one time. Coal beds. Coal is a sedimentary rock made from remains of swamp plants from millions of years ago. Coal beds are found in places today which do not have tropical swamps. These continents must have been once located in warmer climate. This is evidence that the coals are evidence for continental drift. Plant fossils. Glossopteris. Glossopteris is a fossil plant that has been discovered in specific areas on various continents. They were found in South America, Africa, Madagascar, India, Australia, and Antarctica. Fossils. Mesosaurus. Mesosaurus, also known as middle lizard, is one of the first marine reptiles ever. It is even older than dinosaurs. They were found in South Africa and South America. The Mesosaurus was significant in providing evidence for the theory of continental drift. Jigsaw puzzle. Many continents had the same coastline and looked as if they were once all connected. This is called Pangea. It was like a jigsaw puzzle. Plate tectonics is the study of lithospheric plates. Lithospheric plates move over the asthenosphere. Plate tectonics is a theory explaining how the pieces of Earth's surface, the plate, move. They help understand the movement of continents. Mountain ranges with similar rock types and layers have been found on separate continents today. This shows evidence that these mountain ranges were joined together. For this, I used websites, pictures, books, labs, and classroom discussion.